Good morning, students. Today I will discuss thermodynamics potential. The functions are energy terms. Pressure, volume, temperature, entropy is also known as called as a thermodynamics potential. Okay, in terms of internal energy, Helmholtz function, and enthalpy function. Fourth one, Gibbs function. U, H, F, G. Four terms is called as thermodynamics potential. Thermodynamics potential. We shall discuss one by one. We shall discuss one by one steps. First one, internal function. First one, internal function. Internal function is noted by U. Okay. Internal energy. Internal energy is a function of kinetic energy plus kinetic potential. The sum of kinetic energy and potential energy is also called internal energy. Kinetic energy potential energy. This is the duk dup. This is the du is the internal energy, the sum of kinetic energy and potential energy. Kinetic energy due to molecular motion, This is due to mutual attraction of molecules. Okay. Internal function is noted by U is the thermodynamics first law. Okay, the internal energy is a sum of kinetic energy and potential energy. The kinetic energy is due to motion. The molecular of a cylinder, for example, almost one cylinder, this is the molecules. The molecules is a random motion. And say ఒక రెక్టాంగిల్ బాక్స్లో నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మాలిక్యూల్స్ అనేవి అరేంజ్మెంట్ చేస్తుంది ర్యాండమ్ మోషన్లో. కొన్ని మాలిక్యూల్స్ అనేవి సమ్ డిస్టెన్స్ అట్రాక్ట్ అవుతున్నాయి. సమ్ పార్టికల్ A to B, B to C, C to D. This is the attraction. దీని ఏమంటామంటే kinetic energy due to mutual attraction of molecules of the system. Okay, right. Total గా మనం చూస్తే internal function is noted by U is a thermodynamic system, and the internal function is defined as sum of kinetic energy plus potential energy. Sum of kinetic energy is the motion of the molecules and potential is the due to attraction of molecules. Due to attraction of molecules. Okay. Next one. According to thermodynamics first law. According to thermodynamics potential. According to thermodynamics first law. Okay, and the energy state one state to another state. The energy from one state to another state. The initial state to final state. Okay. It is completely one cycle. It is completely one cycle. The internal energy is also zero because returns to its internal energy. Returns to its internal energy. Okay, from according to Newton first, according to thermodynamics first law and second law. According to thermodynamics first law and second law. dq equal to du plus pdv, and the second from equation first one, from equation 1, the first law of thermodynamics, dq equal to du plus dw. Next, second equation, dq equal to TdS. Therefore, TdS equal to du plus pdv. The internal energy du equal to TdS minus P into dv. Okay, this equation 1. Internal energy du equal to absolute temperature change in entropy and work done dw equal to P into dv. Okay, these are internal energies given by the internal energy is given by from thermodynamics first law and thermodynamics second law. Okay, this is the first law, this is the second law. Okay, equation in 1, 2, from equation 1 and 2 we get extend చేస్తున్నాను దీని ఈక్వేషన్ 3 అనుకోవచ్చండి. అంటే ఫస్ట్ the complete cycle, the change in internal energy is zero because returns to internal energy is a initial state. Internal energy is a initial state. Therefore, the change in internal energy is given by dq equal to du plus p into dv. This equation 1. Next, thermodynamics second law, dq equal to t into ds. From equation 1 and 2 we get tds. dq replaced by t into ds. tds equal to du plus p into dv. du is the internal energy of amount. du equal to tds minus pdv. Okay, taking partially differential in internal function of a variables, taking partially differential with respect to internal ఫంక్షన్ లేదా ఇక్కడ ఏం రాయొచ్చండి అన్న విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు internal energy, internal function or energy, internal energy of a variable functions S and V, S and V respectively ఏమవుతుందంటే dou u by dou s equal to t and dou u by dou v equal to minus p. ఓకే అండి, మైనస్ p. Next one, this is the entropy subject to the volume. Volume suffixation entropy. చూడండి వచ్చిన ఈక్వేషన్ థర్డ్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఉంది కదండి, ఆ థర్డ్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఏం చెప్తుందంటే du equal to tds minus pdv by taking the partial differential with respect to entropy and volume, dou u by dou s suffixation volume equal to t and dou u by dou v suffixation s equal to minus p. Next, dou by dou v into dou u by dou s suffixation v equal to dou by dou s into dou u by dou v suffixation s, that equal to dou u by dou s అంటే ఏమొచ్చిందంటే t వచ్చింది, dou t by dou v suffixation s, that equal to ఇది మైనస్ కదా నాన్న, మైనస్ dou p by dou s suffixation v. Okay, this is the dou u by dou v suffixation s equal to minus dou p by dou s suffixation v. Okay, this is equation A. This is thermodynamics relation of first function. ఓకే చూడండి ఒకసారి క్లారిటీగా, థర్మోడైనమిక్స్ ఫస్ట్ అండ్ సెకండ్ లా యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. థర్మోడైనమిక్స్ ఫస్ట్ లా dq ఈక్వల్ du ప్లస్ p into dv. du is the internal energy, p into dv and some work done dw. Second law dq equal t into ds. From equation 1 and 2 the dq is replaced by tds. tds equal to du plus pdv. du equal to t ds minus p into dv. Taking the partial differential with respect to initial energy of a variable's functions s and v, dou u by dou s equal to t and dou u by dou v suffixation s equal to minus p. లాస్ట్ ఏం వచ్చింది, dou t by dou v suffixation s equal to minus dou p by dou s. This is the first law లేదా ఫస్ట్ function of thermodynamics.